I am going to check this. This is not working. You see? This is a line disconnect.
How can you say this line disconnect?
Yes, there is no voltage. No voltages.
Here no voltage is coming.
Yes. Where is breaker?
You are technician, you know.
Yes, I am technician, but where is man breaker? I am first time is coming here.
I don't know. You are technician.
I
You
see.
you search where is going wire.
You see.
This is a breaker.
Next time, you any
You
people,
confirm?
Any people
You
come
confirm
here.
this breaker?
Yes, this is breaker.
You are sure?
Yes, I am. You see, this voltage is coming.
Check voltage. Check voltage.
This is some problem. You, I think.
How much voltage?
Before I
Here.
am talking to you, this is not working. You see. What one problem is here.
How much voltage
One
is
is-
coming? Check in meter. Show my camera.
What is problem?
Mr. Friend,
1 minute, wait with you.
I think this breaker is down.
Breaker is down.
Yes.
Not down, sir.
You see, this wire is not good connect. This wire, Mr. Tanveer, this wire.
Yes, disconnect.
How much? I think this is a hold. Yes. How much?
Yes.
390?
Yes, 440.
Okay, good. Good.
This is a 3 voltage.
H? What is it say?
This is a 3-pole wire.
What?
Voltage
3-pole
is
wire?
380 and not coming. Plus real is not coming. You see,
Okay, Mr.
380.
Tanveer.
380 is coming.
380 is coming?
Where is Madir?
You are Mudir.
Talking to Madir, one is give me a one breaker. One conductor, this give me a new conductor. I pick this one, then I check what is problem. Next problem. I see this is problem is some here.
What is this? This is
I coming outside. You see,
this is a section point.
section. This is a section point.
Section wall?
Yes.
No, Mr. Tanveer,
Yes,
this is section wall.
There is two section one. One pipe is here, one is here. You gas check this here. Then coming any gas you check here. One is here, one is here.
Okay, I understand. So this
I
package,
see-
what is
I
the problem? This
No
package.
problem. This you see, this is fan is okay, proper working. This is a compressor conductor. This is no working. You see, this is not push.
You mean this contactor is damaged?
Not, yeah, damage.
Is not working,
Not working.
right? And other contactor is working.
This is a coil is not working. You see, this is not push. This is a coil conductor. All is any.
You mean these contactors change
1 minute.
and then
Where is next voltage? Where is 24 voltage? Where is second wire? This is before anybody miss the this wire. Then I see.
then no put here. Okay.
1 minute.
Mr. Tanveer,
1 minute.
put
you-
here. No
1
problem.
minute.
This is a problem.
This is my working, Joanna. Why you? Yes, here is working. Yes, I fixed the conductor, then I fixed this here to have 24 volt. Okay, this wire.
Mr.
Small.
Tanveer,
Here
then
is
check
small.
is 24 volt is coming or not coming.
This is not via 24 volt. This is a direct, rather 380, this is 380.
This is 380.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, this is 380.
Huh?
One minute. You see this here? You see?
I talking this point check.
Yeah.
What's a voltage?
How much here voltage? This is a voltage. See,
Mr. Tanveer, I say this is input.